Hey, what's up guys? Making a quick and intimate video this week, and I think it's going to be really helpful because I was thinking about this a lot recently, but this is the fundamental cause, the root cause analysis of many problems, concerns, and questions that many people have. So I've been receiving a lot of questions recently, and on the surface, they're all very technical, related to software, related to programming, but the root cause, like the fundamental core reason, is a mindset problem, and that's what we're going to fix today. I'm going to list off a few questions. I'm sure a lot of these must sound familiar to many of you guys, but there's a theme to these questions. All right, so what should I study? Computer science, software engineering, computer engineering. Is C++ better than Java? Is Ruby better than Python? Python better than Ruby? Do I work here instead of there? Do I follow this curriculum instead of that curriculum? So you guys are getting the gist of those kind of questions, and it's unreasonable to answer all of them individually. That's why I was spending some time to try to break down the root cause of it. So what I think, and this is completely natural, but many times when people ask these questions, it's because they're looking for this magical 100% awesome solution to their problem. If I study computer science, it will enable me to do this. If I work in this industry over that industry, I'm going to be happy. So if this is your mindset, I'm going to just be very straight up blunt with you, but this is not the right mindset to have. All right, this mindset is going to just frustrate you and disappoint you. For anything in life, not just programming, software, coding, but really for anything in life, there's going to be pros, cons, and perspectives to everything. Just like the person you marry isn't going to be the perfect person. They're going to be annoying in the daytime, nice in the nighttime. But it's the same with programming, right? People fight over frameworks, languages, design patterns, all that stuff. But there is no silver bullet solution for everything. There's always just perspective. And that's the mindset that we have to develop. So again, if it wasn't clear already, the first point that I want to get across to everyone is that if you're leaning towards this mindset, or you catch yourself trying to think of one special solution, or you catch yourself trying to find a special solution, just kill that mindset, all right? You're not going to find the 100% magical solution to anything, not to programming, not to who you marry, not to anything in life, and you'll just disappoint yourself and frustrate yourself if you're looking for that. If that was clear, this is really hard. If that solution was clear to everyone, everyone would be using the same formula and life would be easy, right? So first piece of advice, if you're leaning towards that mindset or you have an inkling of that mindset, just kill it right now. Get it out of your head. The second piece of advice to try to get yourself in a better state of mind for these kind of scenarios is that just try to gain as many perspectives and angles on any situation to get the full picture of things, right? There is no silver bullet answer, but let's just say you're thinking about studying computer science versus computer engineering, all right? That's a common question. What do I study? Do I study this versus that? So instead of thinking to yourself, I need to study one or the other, and they're just, that's it, black and white, it's more like, if I study computer science, what does that provide me? And what do I lack if I study that? Versus if I study computer engineering, what does that provide me? But also, what do I lack in knowledge if I go that route? So it's not like one is better than the other. They're just different, all right? In life, nothing is just straight up better than the other. Unless you're straight up better programmer than your friend, then you are better. But for everything else, it's all perspective, right? Computer science isn't better than computer engineering. It's just different. So just to recap, this is the mindset. I hope you guys are getting where I'm coming from, but this is the mindset that I think everyone should develop, all right? Open yourself up to new perspectives, judge the pros and cons for yourself, look at different angles, and once you get that, you just have a much more general and not so narrow-minded picture of anything, all right? There is no silver bullet. Just keep your mind open, and that's the mindset you need to just develop. All right, so that's all I have to say. Try to improv this video. Hopefully it went okay, and let me know what you think in the comments. All right, take care.